I started like a couple of weeks before the course. I did only this course. I didn't do any other courses. I found the course like proved to be instrumental in turning my preparation around. It provided me with the structure, organization, and enabled me to streamline my study approach, to focus well, especially in the crucial areas. I also found the rapid lecture, the viva, they were extremely valuable. I've studied the breast only from Mina's lecture because I've written every single word he mentioned there, and I got a very high mark in that scenario. I would like to extend my thanks and gratitude to every single one in this course, mentors, the organizer behind the scene. You were really very helpful. I wouldn't have done it without your help.